Hello, and thank you for tuning into our video. Have you ever looked into getting a security camera system at your house? I know I have. The cost for them is outrageous most of the time, and flexibility of the systems are limited, not to mention most want a subscription fee for monitoring. So instead, I decided to build my own security system centered around our TS-7970 single board computer. I also used ZoneMinder, an open source video surveillance software, and two 720p wireless outdoor security cameras. The TS-7970 was the ideal candidate for this project for a few reasons. The 7970 has the NXP iMMC CPU, which was designed for high-performance scalable multimedia processing. The great thing is that the board is available in a quad-core design, so I can run all of my interfaces and applications in real time on the board with no concern about memory or CPU utilization. All of our boards are set to run with low power usage, so I won't break the bank having this running constantly inside my home. The TS-7970 is fanless, so it is incredibly quiet and is rated for industrial temperatures of -40 to 85 Celsius, which here in Arizona, with the sun we have, makes it a perfect choice. It also has a lot of different interfaces and connectors that give me a lot of different ways to configure my system, such as using the HDMI out to run a standalone monitor for the board if you so desire. The TS-7970 ships with Debian Linux already installed, so it is compatible with ZoneMinder out of the box, although you will have to check versions to ensure compatibility. I also had to pre-install MySQL and Apache in order for ZoneMinder to work properly with the media storing and remote monitoring of the security cameras. All of this is running on the TS-7970, and the captured security footage will be stored to the 8 GB SD card, which stores approximately a week worth of data at my household. So let's see how the setup looks in ZoneMinder. As you can see, you can really configure and customize the setup however you want, and it is very easy with ZoneMinder interface. Everything is menu driven, so you can set up your logging, image processing, and notification parameters so it perfectly matches your needs. Personally, what I use it for, everything is stored on the system and I can access it from anywhere in the world. I have it port forwarded out of my home network to be able to be accessible via anywhere, say like a smartphone or a laptop. I just take my IP address from my home, log in with my new unique ZoneMinder URL that I specified. I can do that from anywhere that I have an internet connection. Here you can see my camera setup in ZoneMinder, and you can see the logs. And here is ZoneMinder catching me going to work. All of this running in real time, including two cameras, ZoneMinder, MySQL, Apache, and Debian. Takes about 40% of the CPU usage for the TS-7970, so you can easily implement this in an industrial setting with more cameras, as there's definitely room to grow. I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. You can see a write-up on the procedure linked in the description of the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask and we'll respond with what we can do to help. Have a great day.